Zangi app review. Is it worth it? I'm going to tell you if Zangi is worth it. Zangi is a privacy focused messenger that offers end to end encryption, no data collection, and anonymous registration. It stores all your data locally on your device, not on servers, making it appealing for users concerned about privacy. The app performs well even on slow networks like 2G or crowded Wi Fi, and consumes less bandwidth compared to other messengers. However, there are some drawbacks. The user interface is considered outdated and could use a refresh. Additionally, the app has a smaller user base, which might limit its usefulness if your contacts aren't on it. Some users have reported issues with message delivery and account stability, requiring reinstallations that led to loss of chat history. There have also been concerns about scammers using Zangi due to its anonymity features. Bottom line, if privacy is your top priority and you're okay with a smaller user base and some interface quirks, Zangi could be a good choice. But if you're looking for a more polished experience with a larger network, you might want to consider alternatives like Signal or WhatsApp.